Good morning, dear students. Today I am sharing with you important question papers. They are important as exams are commencing very soon. So, this question paper is of ENG DSC 202. For honors, it is of 203, but it is equally important for DSC and honors both. So, let us start how to go through the question paper and what is the distribution of marks. Time is obviously 3 hours and maximum marks are 70. So first of all, we have to go through reference to the context along with critical analysis and inferences. So we won't go for, we won't search for questions as it is reference to the context. Firstly, we'll quote that these lines have been taken from which work, written by whom. Then we'll start the context, then we'll explain it in our own words. So there is a difference between reading comprehension, reference to the context. So this very question deals with the reference to the context. As you know that this very portion in question number 1 part A, it has been taken from the Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare, and it is telling us about a richly lady. Who is she? As you have gone through the text, you know well. So these things are given, we have to write them in our own words in the best possible way. So what is it? It is for detailed study. Only the play written by William Shakespeare is for detailed study. You have to attempt 2 parts, not 4. 4 are given, but you have to attempt any 2. So choice is wide there. Next question number 2. It is surely very easy. It deals with the reading comprehension. You have to go through the passage and then attempt the questions, like who is the speaker and whom is being addressed, what happened, what would have happened if the people were good, what is the good divine. So when we go through the content, like we have already gone through the play, so we know well how to solve this question. Now we have an option here again. For question number 1, we had 4 passages, but we were supposed to attempt any 2. Now we have 2, but we'll attempt only 1. So just go through the content and find out the answers of the question. Each question carries 1 mark. Fine. Question number 3. So what is it? You have to attempt any 3 questions. There are 2 books, The Merchant of Venice as well as Oliver Twist by Charles Dickens. So The Merchant of Venice is for detailed study. Fine. So we are finding reading comprehension and reference to the context. They have been taken from The Merchant of Venice. So general question of Merchant of Venice is there. Question number 3 I am discussing with you. It has, we need to write down the answer, like The Merchant of Venice as a romantic comedy, importance of the trial scene, which is very important, and Portia's character sketch. We have to write it down. Now there is no condition, like you'll have to attempt either 1 question from Oliver Twist, 1 from The Merchant of Venice. Only 3 questions you have to go through. Depends on you, how did you prepare. Fine. Last your question, it deals with, second last question deals with the character sketch of Oliver Twist in Oliver Twist. Then Dickens question is there. Again 2 questions, they are from different books, but without any condition that you have to go through the through both of the books, or you have to attempt you can attempt from 1 book only. But if we want to score good marks, we need to go for both the books. So it was all about your last question, and marks distribution is accordingly given. So you'll have to attempt the questions accordingly. For good scoring, go through both the books, and if you'll have to simply qualify the paper, like you want to just pass it out, then what you can attempt the questions from The Merchant of Venice, which is for detailed study. Thank you.